How to make duplicate page in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create the same page, or how you can copy the all page on on new page. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. So guys, here you can see I have two page here, you can see. So maybe you want the duplicate first page on second, or maybe you want the duplicate first page on third page on third. Okay, so how can do this? If you want to duplicate page middle of this two page, so you can make that duplicate page of your second page. So what you need to do, we need to create the another page first. Okay, so what you need to do, just keep the cursor end of the contain on first page. Now just try to hit the enter many times, then the second page will be created like this. Okay, now what you need to do, just select the content of first page. Okay, copy it by clicking Ctrl and C, or you can just simply copy from here. Now come to the second page and simply paste it, and you can see the two duplicate page has been created. Okay, so now if you want to make the duplicate page at last, then come to the last same and hit the enter many time, and the last page blank page you will have. Then go here and simply paste here that content. The same way you need to just hit create the new page and copy paste that page content which you want to duplicate. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.